If you've been wondering how to update your itch.io games quickly and without any confusion, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest way to check for updates inside the app so you can keep your games current and ready to play. This is especially useful if you have a growing library and don't want to manually search for every new version. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open the Itch app on your computer and sign in if needed. Once you're inside, look for your library. This is where all of your installed and owned games are stored in one place, so it's the best starting point when you want to manage updates. Go ahead and click on Library to open it. Now, you should see your list of games. Find the game you want to update and click on it. This will open the games page and show you more details, including any available options related to downloads, versions, and update status. After that, look over to the sidebar. The sidebar is where Itch keeps the key controls and information for that specific game. In most cases, this is where you'll find the update check option, and it makes the process very straightforward. Use the sidebar to check for updates and see whether a newer version is available. If an update is available, follow the prompts in the app to download and install it. Depending on the game, the update may start automatically, or you may need to confirm the download before it begins. Just let the process finish, and once it's complete, your game should be updated and ready to launch. If you manage multiple itch.io games, this method is a huge time saver because you can repeat the same steps for each title without digging through folders or manually reinstalling anything. It keeps everything organized and makes sure you're always using the latest version of your games. And that's it. Open the app, go to your library, click the game, and use the sidebar to check for updates. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I'll see you in the next video.